teaching you if a number is odd or even. So, if a number is odd, then you can split it, then you cannot split it into two equal groups. If it is, then if it's even, then you can split it into two equal groups. And now, I'm going to show you this. If you get 5 and split it into two equal groups, there's one left. And there's nowhere to put that one. So that is an odd number if there's one more left and if you can't split it into one equal group without breaking it. That means that it's odd. And if you get up 6, then you can have two equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do not count it by not starting over. You do not count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do not do that because you know it's 6. You do 1, 2, 3, and then you start over. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we're going to start 3,721,645. So we're not starting off with the millions or hundreds or tens or thousands or hundreds or tens, but we're starting off with the ones, of course. Starting off with the first one, the ones column. You look what's up in the ones column. See that there's a 5 in the ones column. So you take your abacus and then get 5 beads, and then and then you see we did this in the beginning. You can't split it up. So that means it's an odd number. So that means 3,721,645 is an odd number just because in the ones place it's odd. So that makes the whole number odd.